These are the top 5 hiccup
entire
moments.
village to feed.
Yeah, between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think?
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This is a talking fish bone.
You need to stop all this.
But you just pointed to all of me.
But hey, if you're having doubts about yours truly, I'm pretty sure Snotlout's available.
He only has eyes for your mom.
Oh!